Good afternoon, class. Finally, it's Friday. And today, it is the last topic that we are going to discuss in your English file intermediate book. Okay, so this is the last topic in your old book. So maybe for the next term, after your final exam, we're going to start talking about your new book. All right. So today is Friday, December 11, 2020. Before we will proceed to our next lesson, let's have a review first about relative clauses. Okay. So you answered this one last time. Yes. Okay. So when are you going to use who? You're going to use who relative clauses if it talks about person, animals, or things. Okay? I mean, person and animal. So you're going to use who. For which is you're going to use it for things and places. I mean, things only. And for whose, for persons belonging or for somebody's belonging. Okay? And where, you're going to use where if it talks about places. Okay, so for example here, the house blank windows are open is beautiful, so you're going to use whose. Number two, the writer blank wrote that article won the Nobel Prize, so that is who. He bought a car blank runs past, that is which. He was wearing a cap was black, that is which. But is a student writes so fast in the class, that is who. Then second one, use whose and which. So number one, a lion is an animal. It is very strong. So if we're going to use which or who, so a lion is an animal which is very strong. Number two, a novelist is a person who, he writes a novel. Then the correct answer is a novelist is a person who writes novel. The last one, the girl speaks Chinese. Her mother writes poems. So the answer is the girl whose mother writes poems speaks Chinese. So this is our last lesson. Last Tuesday. Okay, so to continue our lesson, this afternoon we are going to talk about tag questions. Okay? So maybe you are already familiar what is tag question. All right, so a question such as, isn't it? It's fine, isn't it? On added to a statement or command as to gain the accent of or challenge the person addressed. Okay? Is he, aren't they, do you, did we, etc. are often used to check something you already think is true. Again, class, tag questions are often used to check something you already think is true. Okay, so you already know what is the truth, but you are still wanted to make sure that what you think is true. So you ask again using a tag questions. Okay, so for example, your name is Sun-in, isn't it? Okay, so I know that her name is Sun-in. I know Sun-in, but I just want to make sure that her name is really Sun-in. So I asked her again, isn't it? Okay, so the verb here is is. So we're going to use isn't. Okay, so the correct auxiliary verb, example, do or does, be for the present, did for the past, will or won't for the future. Okay, remember this one, class, okay? You're going to use the correct auxiliary verb, example, do and does for the present, did for the past, and will or won't for the future. Remember these auxiliary verbs, all right? So next one is pronoun, example, he, it, they, we, etc. So you need to be careful. What is the pronoun in the question? Okay? Who is the pronoun? All right? So a negative auxiliary verb if the sentence is positive, and the positive auxiliary verb if the sentence is negative. So what does it mean? So it means that if the auxiliary verb is, okay? This is the auxiliary verb, right? The auxiliary verbs are do, does, did, or will, or want. So these are the auxiliary verb. So you need to be careful. If the sentence is positive, then the tag question should be negative, okay? Again, if the question or the statement is positive, the tag question should be negative, okay? If the verb is negative, the tag question is positive, okay? So look at here the example. She is beautiful, isn't she? So the auxiliary verb here is positive. So the tag question is negative. Second example, Vatana isn't smart. Is he? So isn't is negative. So the tag question should be positive. All right. Now let's practice more about tag question. Okay, here, tag question. Positive, this is in your book, okay, 151. You can find these examples in your back of your book, page 151. All right, so positive verb, negative tag. Okay, this is what it means. If the auxiliary verb is positive, you need to make the tag question negative. Okay, for example, it's cold today, isn't it? So it's positive, then we make it negative. You are Polish, aren't you? So are is the auxiliary verb, so we make it negative. They live in Ankara, don't they? They, we use don't because this is plural. The subject is plural, so we need to use do, all right? The match finishes at 8 o'clock, doesn't it? Okay, so the match finishes, so it means the subject is only one, so we need to use does, okay? Since it's positive, then you will make it negative, all right? So your sister worked in the USA, didn't she? So look at the verb here. It is past tense, so we use didn't, okay? And it's negative, so we use didn't, all right? And she, because sister, it's a girl. Okay, next, we have met before, okay? The verb here is have, okay? So haven't we, okay? So just focus in the verb, okay? As what you see here, don't mind the second verb. Just mind the main verb, the verb next to our subject, okay? So we have met before, haven't we? Next, you'll be okay. Won't you? Okay, guys, class. So if the subject is, if the auxiliary verb is will, okay? It's will, you need to use won't if you make it negative, okay? So for example, you will be here, okay? You will be here at 8 o'clock. Then if I will change it into negative, won't you, okay? I will use won't because I will make it negative because my sentence is positive. Okay, so for example, you'll be okay, won't you? So this is positive, will, and the negative form for will is won't, all right? You had go on holiday with me, wouldn't you? Would. You would go on holiday with me, wouldn't you? Okay, so would and wouldn't. Next one, negative verb. Look at here. Negative verb and positive tag. Okay, opposite. So negative verb, she isn't here today. So the tag question should be positive. So is she? Next is you aren't hungry, are you? They don't smoke, do they? Lucy doesn't eat meat, does she? You didn't like the film, did you? Mike hasn't been to Rome before, has she? You won't tell anyone, will you? Sue wouldn't quit her job, would she? Okay, so look at here, class. Want, so the positive form of want is will. The negative form of will is won't. Okay, clear? Now let's practice more. So add the correct question tags to these questions. Okay, for example, number 1, he always forgets his homework, doesn't he? Okay, he doesn't. So doesn't he? Sorry. Okay, number 2, the teachers didn't see me. So the answer is did they? So negative, verb, positive, tag question. You would like to come with us. Okay, you would like to come with us. What will be the answer? That is, wouldn't you? Okay, next, I've got plenty of time. The answer is, haven't I? Let's have another coffee. Haven't we? It couldn't possibly rain. Could it? Okay, because the subject is it. Those men played really well. Didn't they? Okay, because the verb here is already in the past, so we will use didn't. Okay, next, number 8, Molly will have to tell the truth. Won't she? Okay, again, so will, and the negative form of will is won't. And Molly is a girl, so we use she. We can't stop here. Can we? Number 10, you promise you'll never tell anyone. Then, don't you? All right. Because class, we use don't you because the verb here is in the present form. Okay, it's not a will. Okay, it's not will. So you promise you'll never tell anyone. So we need to use don't. All right, because it's promise. The main verb is promise and it's in the present form. Okay, let's see more about the tag questions. So directions for questions. Put a question tag on the end of these sentences. For example, number 1, there are a lot of people here. There are a lot of people here. Right, so the answer for that is, aren't there? Okay, for the rest of the numbers from 2 to 9, you're going to answer this one. Okay, class? This will be your activity for today. Okay, wait a minute. All right, class, so that would be all for this afternoon. I hope you learned something new today. See you again on Monday. For all 3.